Hi, I'm Captain Chris, and I want to talk about marine air conditioning. For this segment, we're only going to talk about the raw water cooling pump. This is the raw water cooling pump. It will suck water up from here, go through the white pump, and discharge out these two elbows to go to air conditioner number 1, air conditioner number 2. I want to point out that this pump must be located below the water line. Look behind me here. See where the water line is in the boat? The pump's got to be mounted much lower below the water line because it's not a self-priming pump. If you happen to suck air into the pump, you need to install an aftermarket burp valve like this where you can open and close to let the air burp out and then close it. Then you'll get solid streams of water coming through here. Watch the next segment of this video where we're doing the same thing inside of a boat, but I want to caution you, the generator's running and the air conditioners are humming, so there's a lot of background noise. Stay tuned. So I'm going to turn this on and burp the air out of it. See the air bubbles going out? See more air bubbles?
Yeah, this reminds me of my aquarium.
So we'll see if it'll work. I heard it, the noise change a little bit. Let me give it one more burp. Okay, got some more air out. I think I got all the air out with that burp valve.
Why is there water spraying down there?
That's our discharge for the burping procedure.
It's supposed to be there.
It's supposed to be, correct. Okay, so we've got all the air burped out of that system.
How do you know?
Because no more air bubbles came out of the bypass tube.